Cooking is all about combination of right ingredients and scripting a right balance of flavors with these ingredients. The dish in today's episode is a recipe that represents balance of flavors packed in mango and pineapple. And by the way, this is called Avnas Ambe Sasam in Konkani language. Without any further ado, let's get cooking. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. The first step in preparation of Avnas Ambe Sasam is a fragrant, flavor-packed masala. So here we are taking about 40 grams or 1/3 cup of freshly grated coconut into a mixer grinder. Then comes 1 roasted dry red chilli and 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. After adding these 3 ingredients, the next in the list is king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add a little salt, and then comes 2 tablespoons of powdered jaggery. Let us add the jaggery and a little water before blending all these ingredients into a fine paste. Here, in no time, we have our easy and simple masala mixture. And therefore, it is time for our next step, and that is to add 120 grams or 1 cup of finely chopped pineapple, and then adding the same quantity of chopped mangoes into a mixing bowl or into a vessel. After bringing these 2 ingredients together, let us add the finely ground masala paste to it. Once we have done this, the next step in the process is a simple tempering. So here we are heating about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil into a tempering pan. Once the oil is hot, let us add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the added mustard starts to splutter, the next in the list is 1 fistful of curry leaves. Let us add the curry leaves and roast it till it turns a little crispy. When it turns crispy, let us add the tempering to the mixture of mango, pineapple and the masala. Once we have done this, it is time to give all these ingredients a good mix. This is it, my dear friends. Tasty, well-balanced and right combination of ingredients, Avnas Ambe Sasam is ready. We request you to prepare this at your homes and enjoy the bliss of this dish. And if you liked the episode, do click the like button and also share it with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.